Hi friends, welcome to Load of Crock. Well, that's a wrap on Thanksgiving. It's over already. And I don't know about all of you, but after Thanksgiving, I'm faced with a harsh reality. There's a roadblock that always presents itself, and that is the overwhelming amount of leftovers in my refrigerator, specifically turkey. And every year I have these grand plans of all this great stuff I'm going to make with the leftovers. And then I don't. But not this year. No, no. This year is going to be different. Our friend Tommy the turkey, oh, he's going to get eaten. All of him. All of him. So I'm going to be sharing with you a 4-ingredient turkey entree for your crock pot. So come along with me. Get ready to take down those leftovers. We are making a pulled turkey cheese sandwich. All right, friends, we are not messing around. I'm taking down these turkey leftovers with a 4-ingredient pulled turkey cheese sandwich. A quick shout out to my longtime friend Raina. She was my inspiration in using this recipe for figuring out a way to use my leftover turkey. About 8 or 9 years ago, she made a variation of this Crockpot recipe, and she was always like, oh, I don't really cook. And then she would make stuff like this. So I mean, thank you to Raina. 4 ingredients: your already cooked leftover turkey, cream of mushroom soup, chicken or turkey broth, whatever your preference may be. And then the 4th and final ingredient is one of my favorite ingredients ever, not butter, but the other one, Velveeta cheese. And you may be thinking, or even saying out loud, Betsy, you know that Velveeta is not like real cheese, and that might be. But have you ever considered that that reason is, in fact, why it tastes so good? First, you'll need your leftover turkey, some Velveeta cheese, cream of mushroom soup, and chicken or turkey broth. Get out your crock pot and spray the bottom and sides. Add your cooked leftover turkey to the bottom of the crock pot. Following this, add your Velveeta cheese cubed up. Then your cream of mushroom soup. And finally, your 1/4 cup of chicken or turkey broth. Mix it all together until the turkey is nicely coated. Once you have everything mixed together, put it on low for 3 to 4 hours. I did it on that. Right in between is where I ended up with it. There really isn't much cooking with this since the turkey's already cooked. You're just simply warming up the turkey and the cream of mushroom. And the biggest part is just making sure the cheese is melted nicely to get all mixed in to the mixture. So that worked out perfectly, right around 3.5. The few tips from Load of Crock that I wanted to share are things I learned along the way. First, as you'll see in the description and in my recipe below, my measurements were based on having 4 good-sized cups of leftover turkey. So you'll just want to make sure and adjust your ingredient amounts that go with the turkey based on how much turkey you have. Second, the broth situation. So I did a 1/4 of a cup, as you saw when I mixed it up, because I wanted to err on the side of caution. I didn't want it to end up too runny. So I did a 1/4 of a cup, and then with about an hour or 45 minutes left, I checked it. I ended up adding just a skosh more, not much, but just a skosh. And it was because I wanted it to definitely be juicy, but not too runny. So just a little tip on the broth. And then third, if you're looking for a cheese-free sandwich, or if you don't believe Velveeta's real cheese, a Velveeta-free sandwich, you can remove the cheese and just do the other 3 ingredients. I've had it without cheese. It's equally as great. So just an alternative to be considered. So that's it. That's all. I've used my leftover turkey. Bye. I think I'm going to refer to 2019 as the year of taking down the turkey leftovers. Thanks to all of you that are watching, subscribing, liking, commenting on this Load of Crock channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you very, very much. I'm looking forward to continuing on this Load of Crock journey with all of you as we start looking ahead into the new year. Finally, one thing I want you to consider now that we've got this fantastic recipe to use with our leftover turkey, the next time you go to an event, whether it's Thanksgiving or otherwise, and the host says, okay, so there'll be 8 of us, which means we probably need like what, a 35-pound turkey? Instead of doing what I would do, which is always like, don't you dare get a 35-pound turkey, there'll be so much left over. Now you can say, yeah, get that 35-pound turkey, and then the 22 pounds that are left over, I'll go ahead and take those home with me and make these turkey sandwiches. And I mean leftovers, more like right-overs. Am I right? Because there is nothing wrong with these. Check out these pulled turkey cheese sandwiches.